Learn English. The sentence. A sentence is a group of words which expresses a complete thought. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark, depending on the nature and meaning of the sentence. A sentence must contain a subject and a finite verb. In order to check whether you have a subject, ask who or what before the verb. This subject may be replaced with a pronoun, for example he, she or it. The boy plays. Who plays? He plays. There are 4 types of sentences in English. 1. Statements. These supply information. 2. Questions. These ask for information. 3. Exclamations. These express emotions such as surprise, fear, alarm or anger. 4. Commands. These are used to give orders or instructions. Examples. Can pigs fly? Where is Sarah going? Is anyone there? That's your father. We pay at the end. Subscribe for more videos from Learn English.